Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make an easy picture frame, but it still looks awesome. So, like here is one that I did in maple with walnut splines. This is how I attached the back to it. It's actually a general purpose, about 3/16 thick backer that I got screwed to it. The 4x8 backer was like 13 bucks. So anyway, pretty cool, very easy to build. I walked through the whole process. I'll show you how I do the grooves on the back to accept the glass and the backer. There's two actual separate grooves of different depths. This is my favorite one. I actually put Brazilian cherry splines there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, stick around and see how I build it.
Spill my coffee on the floor, but I don't really care. It's not the same, not anymore. There's no way I fade away without you since you've been gone. So many things you need to know. All I ever need is to call you on the phone with a number that connects to you. I don't want to hear that click and then a tone.
So in order for me to make the least amount of mistakes, I like to write my finished dimension on the blue tape stuck to the face of the frame, and then I mark the angles in each corner. So I've just stuck a piece of scrap to my chop saw using some double stick tape, and it shows me exactly where my blade's going to be cutting.
Walking around the room, I found a picture. It reminded me of us. Should I give it all when you were mine? When you were mine, I fade away without you since you've been gone. So many things you need to know. All I ever need is to call you on the phone with a number that connects to you. I don't wanna hear that.
Using a sacrificial fence, I cut the two rabbits I need for my frame stock, and I got an image of the cross section right up here in the corner.
Without you since you've been gone, so many things you need to know. All I ever need is to call you on the phone with a number that connects to you. I don't wanna hear that click and then a tone. I wanna hear your voice come through. Then I'll tell you I miss you and right the things that I did wrong. All I ever need is to call you on the phone and I'll be close to you. All I ever need is to call you on the phone with a number that.
A tip for shooting is to rub a little water on the bottom of the workpiece you're shooting, and it just keeps it from sliding around. Here's my preferred and favorite method for clamping miter joints. However, it takes a little bit longer than, say, using straps. So here I'm using a sled that I specifically made for splines. I'm actually doing two curves here, so I cut and then move my fence, and that allows me to get my spline thickness down right off the planer. You don't want to be milling under 1/8 of an inch. Using my table saw sled, I actually just mark a pencil line, and then I continuously cut the blank, moving it to my pencil line each time.
I'll be here when your heart breaks. just want you to know that, 'cause you are irreplaceable.
Once my splines are dried in the frame, I just use a flush trim saw and cut it out. If the corners are a little uneven, just sand it. It's really hard to plane a miter joint because you're going parallel and then you're going against or across the grain. Just sand it. And then with old Madge, it's just plane it smooth.
Yeah, you are something he don't know, that he should treat you like you're royal, but I'll be here.
So cheers, and thanks for watching.